Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Vanguard. First, go to the Vanguard website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, go to the left-hand sidebar, scroll down and click on Payments. At the top of the Payments page, click on the Money Out tab. At the bottom of this page, you'll see an option for Withdraw Cash. You'll also see your available balance in your ISA that's eligible for withdrawal. Click on Withdraw Cash, enter the amount you'd like to withdraw. Click Next at the bottom of the page. Make sure the bank account details are correct. If everything looks good, scroll down and click Submit. And that's it. That's how to withdraw money from Vanguard. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.